First Security Bank is a local bank that services the Pacific Northwest. We finance and build many expensive homes as are typical with custom construction. However, we also fund moderate and lower priced residences as well, with the goal of meeting our clients' needs in all those areas. The challenging parts of it were utilizing Excel spreadsheets. We had this constant kind of rotating master spreadsheet for every transaction. It was cumbersome at the very best, and it was slow to work with. It required that builders needed to be in office or at minimum work on a laptop to navigate through the draw requests. And we knew when choosing LandGrilla that the volume was about to increase substantially. We were managing a relatively small number of custom construction projects prior to, and we made a pretty bold move to revamp our department to handle significant more volume. And our volume did go up immediately. Had we tried to do that without LandGrilla, it would have been so much more work and so much more cumbersome. I'm very, very thankful for the digital platform that we have and for the efficiencies that we've gained. Prior to having centralized communication, our builders and borrowers had to wait for the custom construction team to reconcile draw requests, inspection requests, and disbursement amounts via manual calculations. I think one of the big advantages of all parties being able to see the budget, see the draws, see the inspections real time, 24/7, is more convenient. It saves everyone time in the process, gives them visibility, just allows us to move through the process, and it comes down to transparency. The need for unwanted calls is really greatly diminished. We used to field a tremendous number of calls. Now that we have live data that both borrowers and builders can go in and see at any point in time, they can see all of the line items, they can see the starting balances, they can see everything that's been dispersed, the remaining balances, all of it. It really has cut down tremendously on questions about where are we at, how much have we got left, and all of that sort of thing. And that's helpful for my team. They can concentrate on doing what the job is, and that is to turn these draws as fast as possible and get the data entered and to stay up on everything. We know what's coming up on every file, so that helps us stay organized and helps us anticipate what's coming before it happens. You're not playing catch up, and I think that's kind of an important aspect of this. You actually get ahead of it with LandGrilla, and we've been able to stay ahead of what needs to be done on our transactions, and I think that's huge.